In this video, I'll show you how to connect a database in Replit. Start by signing into your Replit account and open the project where you want to connect a database. Next, make sure your application is running correctly before adding a database. After that, open the Tools panel from the left sidebar and select Database if it's available for your project. If you're using an external database, gather your connection details, including the database URL, username, password, and any required connection string. Now create a new database or connect to an existing one by following the prompts. Next, if your application uses environment variables, open the Secrets tool and add your database connection information, such as the database URL and credentials. After that, update your application's database configuration to use the connection string or environment variables you just added. Now save your changes and restart your application so it can establish a connection to the database. Next, test the connection by creating, reading, updating, or deleting sample data to make sure your application is communicating with the database correctly. After that, review your database records to confirm that your application's data is being stored successfully. Finally, continue building your app and use the connected database to manage user information, application data, and other content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a database in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.